we are told to find the area of a regular hexagon whose apothegm is 4. Now, the formula for area of any regular polygon is area equals 1/2 times the apothegm times the perimeter. Now, the apothegm we're told is 4, and the perimeter is all we need to find in order to find the area. So, if I start at the center of the hexagon and draw a line to two of the vertices right here and right here, well, what we have constructed is a equilateral triangle where each part is 60 degrees. How I know that is because if I start here at the center and I start turning around, starting from here, work my way around the hexagon, each vertex is going to be the same angle measure away. So this angle measure that I just created right here is going to be the same if I were to create another segment here with this angle, and it's going to be the same angle measure as this right here if I created another segment. And I do that 6 times. Each angle is going to be the same length or same measure. There's 360 degrees in a circle. 360 divided by 6 is going to give you a 60 degree. The apothegm will cut that 60 degree angle in half. So if I just look at one small part of the angle, it's going to be a 30 degrees here. Apothegm, by definition, it goes from the center and is perpendicular to an opposite side. So it's going to create a 90 degree angle here, which will then in turn make this to be a 60 degree angle right here. So I got a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and the segment across from the 30 degree angle will be our x, and the segment across from the 60 degree angle we know it to be 4, but we also know that's going to be square root of 3 times the x. So 4 is going to equal square root of 3 times x. So x is going to equal 4 over square root of 3. So the length of the entire segment from here to here would be double that, so that's going to be 8 times square root of 3. So now I use my formula, A equals 1/2 times the apothegm times the perimeter, and I'm going to get equals 1/2 times apothegm we are told is 4. The perimeter, there are 6 segments that are 8 square root of 3 in length. So if I take 8 times square root of 3 times 6 segments, that's going to give me my perimeter. So when I multiply all this together, I'm going to get 96 times square root of 3. And I'm sorry, it's supposed to be 8 divided by square root of 3, which will give me a 96 over square root of 3. Now I need to have it in the correct form. I cannot have a radical in the denominator. So to do that, I'm going to multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. So what I'm going to get is 96 times square root of 3 over 3, which will reduce. I'm going to get 32 times square root of 3.